If your garage door opener chain or belt is slipping, it can totally mess with your day and even cause damage if you don't handle it right away. Alright, so first off, you want to check how tight that chain or belt actually is. If it's too loose, it's going to slip and sound all annoying. Grab a wrench or a screwdriver, whatever fits your setup, and tighten it up just enough so it's snug but not super tight. You don't want to strain it. Next, if you notice any cracks, frays, or worn out spots on the belt or chain, it's time to swap it out because a damaged one will keep slipping no matter how much you tighten it. Also, keep the chain or belt properly lubricated. A little grease can make a huge difference in smooth operation. Make sure the garage door tracks are clean and aligned too, because if the door is dragging or off-kilter, it'll put extra pressure on the opener parts. Don't forget to unplug the opener before messing with anything to avoid shocks or accidents. If you're unsure about doing all this yourself, calling a pro can save you some headache and prevent bigger problems down the road. And hey, regular maintenance every few months helps keep everything running smooth without surprises. One of the biggest issues with garage door openers is ignoring a slipping chain or belt until it's a serious problem. This can lead to broken parts and costly repairs. Fix this by tightening or replacing worn parts as soon as you notice any slipping or noise. Another common snag is using the wrong type of lubricant or over-lubricating, which just attracts dirt and gums things up. Stick to manufacturer-recommended lubricants and apply sparingly. Lastly, not keeping the garage door tracks clean and aligned puts extra strain on the opener system and causes slipping too. Regularly clean and inspect tracks to avoid this, and adjust them if they're out of place. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff with garage doors and more. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with new clients looking for quality work in their area without the hassle.